Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to delete an Instagram account, and this is the method you can use only with your browser. You cannot use this with an Instagram app. You have to log in with the browser either on desktop or in your mobile phone. So I'll show you step by step how you can delete your Instagram account. So please watch this video till the end. For deleting the account, you have to open this link. I'll put this link in the description. You have to click how do I delete my Instagram account. So this is the final page and this is the link, and after clicking on this link you have to log in your Instagram ID. So after filling your details you have to log in your account, and after you have logged in your account, so there is an option why do you want to delete your account. So you can choose any one of the mentioned reason here. So let me choose something else. And so when you fill in your password you have to click delete, and after clicking delete, so this is the confirmation your account will be deleted on May 23, 2022. So that is how our Instagram account is deleted. So I hope you got the all the information related to deleting Instagram account. If you like, you can subscribe to my channel and like this video and share this video to anyone who is looking for how to delete an Instagram account. So guys, thank you, bye bye.